Okay, so how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So I am back after a very long period of time, and today we are going to actually talk about what we are doing. Okay, so we're gonna start with Code Forces right now. So I just have created my account on Code Forces. So this is the beginner one. So right now, what I'm thinking is I'm thinking about a certain type of plan right now. So my plan of execution will be first of all we're gonna have we're gonna divide our first of all our job is to become at least a specialist. Okay, so that will be our first task. This is our first task we have to encounter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna solve only A and B level problem. We're gonna solve only A and B level problem up till next 20 days. 20 days, and we're gonna solve around like 10 problem per day. So that's what we're gonna do. 10 problems per day, and the problem level will be A and B level. So A and B level doesn't require that much of DSA. Like it doesn't require DSA. It's just simply math problem, general math problem. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna filter out some of the things from over here. If I'm gonna go back, then you can see we're going to filter it out. Let me erase it first of all. Okay. So as you can see, we just simply click over here, over here, and we can increase the rating of the problems. Okay, the difficulty level. So the 35001 is the most difficult level of problem. So it's a very difficult level problem. But if you're gonna again just click over here, then it will come to 800. So 800 one are the really easy one. So these are really easy one. As you can see, they have mentioned over here as well. And you can use a different filter tag as well, like if you want to source a particular like DSA problem, you can do it, but that we're going to do after on. So as we have discussed, for the next 20 days, we are going to solve 10 problems per day, and I'm going to upload those videos as well, like covering all these problems starting from till bottom. So in 20 days, multiply 10, approximately 200 problems. That's what I'm thinking. And after that, what we're going to do for next 20 days, I'm gonna solve or like 6 or 10 problems. 6 to 10 problems depend. Okay, but now at this time we're gonna solve this problem under a time limit. So we put a time limit of, let's say, 3 hours, and in 3 hours we have to solve these 6 to 10 problems. Okay, so we have to solve under the time period. So by doing this, we at least gonna hit the rating of 1400, and once we hit the rating of 1400, we're gonna change it to our schedule, and we're gonna learn about more DSA and all. But up till now, we have to figure it out, how to we have to, our first job is to achieve this 1400 rating first of all. Okay, so after that, what we're gonna do actually is, so I'm gonna cover it later on once we have done this part. Okay, so but first of all, our job is to solve 200 problems. I don't know why I'm repeating my statement again and again, but this is what I'm planning. And you will ask, what about lead code? So we're gonna carry out lead code as well, like in the morning, somewhere like according to Indian Standard Time, it will be 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and according to Great Britain time, where I'm living, it will be 12 a.m. midnight. Okay, so there's a like time difference of like 5:30. Yeah. So in the morning one, like I'm gonna upload like lead code videos again, back again. So now you will ask, dude, where you been from last 1 year? Where you been from last 1 year? So from last 1 year, I've been like busy in my work, like not so work like, but I'm busy. I was busy. I was busy a lot, to be honest. But right now situation is I am unemployed, so I have to I have to work so hard so that like I can again become employed. And yeah, that's the reason, like I got unemployed last month. So last month on September, things are very worse. So like it took me 1 month to like get covered up. I have to I still finding jobs and all, but I'm thinking like let's carry on our YouTube channel as well. Like we have hit 500 subs. I never imagined like we're gonna hit that one, seriously. And I thank you very much for you guys, to you all guys. We have made 500 subs, and we're gonna make a lot. So that will be a good thing. Anyways, let's carry on. Now what I'm thinking else is, me just drop it down. Can I do full screen? Just doing full screen. Okay, that has gone up. Give me a second. I should cut it out that particular part. Okay. Anyways, here we go. So so that's what like that's the basic part like which I am talking. And I do I like right now I don't want to do FaceTime. So right now no face video. Okay. So once things are okay, then definitely I'm gonna publish like face video as well. Like first of all, like now my job is like I want to start with competitive programming. So I'm gonna work with code forces a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna solve like at least like initially like in next my next 20 days target is to solve 200 problems, and which you're gonna definitely solve. And after that, what we're gonna do is like not to, like thing is like I'm gonna do at least like 100 of problems, but 200 is a target, but like 100 minimum. Okay, so that we can get comfortable with the user interface of code forces and everything. Now let's talk about what else I am doing in my life. So we're gonna talk about a lot about everything. Wait for a second, give me a second. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, so apart from like I don't know what I'm saying. Like this is dude. Wait, why you are repeating like and everything? Like I don't know why I'm repeating my sentence so many times. I'm feeling little kind of uncomfortable right now posting video after really long time, a really long time. But this time we're gonna be serious, fucking serious. Trust me, we're going to make it. And yes, so we're going to review code forces contest, code forces contest. So that contest will be like after 3 days. So div 2 we can only give div 2 right now. Div 1 is not possible because like it is div 1 is only possible for the like who has a good rating, I guess. So we're gonna give div 2 contest, and we're going to give Leetcode contest as well. So these two contests we have to do so that we can grab some pretty jobs. Okay. I am unemployed like you right now, and yeah, so I'm gonna publish a lot of videos for you guys, and we're gonna enjoy a lot, to be honest. Like we are now a family of 500 people. Yeah, that's so crazy. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And yeah, I just did I put my first community post like I asking like which language you want to prefer with. So most of saying like go with English. Only I got 5 upvotes, but from 5 like majority is about English one. So yeah, don't worry, we're gonna carry out in English portion only. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, apart from this, I guess like there are very few content regarding code forces, like how the problem are solving. So but i'm gonna I'm gonna put I'm gonna try to put, yeah, like not the contest one, because like I guess I'm like initially I was unable to solve like all the contest problems, but whichever I'm gonna solve, I definitely gonna publish it on YouTube. So like I have solved this problem, and here's the solution which I was made it. Initially we don't care about rating. So initially rating is not our big criteria. What our criteria is solving A and B level problem in every contest. That will be our main task. So we're gonna carry it out from over here and go something like this. Why the hell? Okay, so wait. Here we go. So there are a lot of problems. There's a lot of problem. Seriously. So this page will gonna definitely gonna complete it. So like if we solve this page complete problem, I guess there's like this page has like 100 problems. So single page 100. So we're gonna go till 2. Second page, like all the A level and B level problem, as you can see over here. So we have both problems, and yeah, we're gonna make a lot. And Leetcode, for the Leetcode, like we're gonna like for the Leetcode, what I will gonna do is for the Leetcode portion, I'm gonna put like daily challenges video, daily challenge video, plus I'm gonna put Leetcode contest as well, Leetcode contest solutions. Okay, so this will I'm gonna put definitely for sure. And apart from that, I'm going to discuss a lot about like how you can like one of my guy who's asking like, dude, can you teach us like how to solve lead code efficiently? How to solve lead code efficiently will be my next video. So we're gonna talk about it a lot. Trust me, a lot we're gonna talk about. Okay. So yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. This is all this video like is all about. Like I'm just giving a quick guide into like how things will gonna execute from now. And yes, without any further ado, let's just start our journey because we don't have to wait a lot. We have to start as fast as possible, and I recommend using some kind of like some kind of a code editor for this. I'm gonna use VS Code for like compile my code and everything. Gonna do it like this. So that's what I'm thinking to go with. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you here, right? Yes, we're gonna do it something like this. Yes. Okay. So this is enough for now. And sorry. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I don't know why I'm like taking so much of time, but thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.